Y'all feel it? Do y'all feel those burr months coming? I feel it. Along with all those burr months comes along your cold and flu season. Well, guess what? I've got something else that you can stock to put in your apothecary, your natural home remedy cabinet to combat that cold and flu season. Come on in here and I'll show you what I'm going to do. If y'all are seeing me for the first time, my name is Tracy. I'm the creator and I run our YouTube channel, but I also am the author of our blogs. And if you want like a readable tutorial version of a lot of our videos of what we're all about here at 4D Farms, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. You can catch us on our blogs at 4dfarms.blogspot.com and 4dfarms.wordpress.com. Okay, y'all do know all of the benefits of garlic, right? You don't? Well, just let me tell you, garlic is a natural antibiotic, okay? Nature's pharmacy. Research it. It is a natural antibiotic. You combine that with raw, unfiltered honey and all of the medicinal benefits of honey, and you've got another powerhouse. I'm going to show y'all how to make a simple fermented honey and garlic. Now, you can go to the store and you can get the bulbs of garlic if you want to. Individually crack them things open, peel them, and all such as that if you want to. And I was going to do that when I went on my grocery haul. And then I came across another corner. I came around another corner, and then I saw these bags of the already taken out of the skins for you and out of the bulb. This is the little garlic, little bulbs, okay? So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up, and I'm going to cut the little tips off out of every one of these garlics, okay? So, y'all give me just a second, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, I got all those little tips cut off. It wasn't enough to make a whole quart, and I can use this quart for something else. So I did bring a couple of these little jelly jars, and I just divided them between both jelly jars. Another reason why I bought that bag of minced garlic, or the garlic bulbs, is because one big old bulb of garlic, these are cloves. The big old bulb that they're all encased in is the bulb, okay? So these are the cloves. So the big bulbs were like 99 cents for just a small bulb. I got this whole bag for like $2 and something. And to get what I wanted to get like this, I would have had to have bought 4 or 5 of the bulbs. No, girl ain't doing that today. Okay, now what you're going to do is you are going to take some raw, unfiltered honey, and you are just going to pour that over your, oh, that has a plastic. No wonder that wasn't coming off. You are going to take this honey and you are going to pour it just like this, till you get your jar covered. Let it go down. Cover all of the cloves. Let it seep down in there. Do your debubbling. Let all the honey seep down in there and cover completely your garlic cloves, okay? And you want to make sure the very top of your garlic cloves is covered. So we're going to let this seep down into here. I'm going to get all the air bubbles out and make sure the top of all the garlic cloves is covered with honey. Once you get them covered, you are going to put a lid and a ring on your jar, and you are going to put these in a cool, dark place. Let it marinate. Let it saturate. Let it steep and ferment for as long as you can. I know for at least a month, okay? But if you have to get into this before a month and before it has really had that long fermentation process, and even after then, if you can hold off till that 4 weeks and hold off a little bit, when you start feeling a tickling, sore throat, congestion, anything that you feel like gunk is fixing to come on soon as cold weather hits, all you got to do, take a clove out, just grab you a spoon, grab some honey along with 1 clove, and eat 1 a day. You know the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Why do I do this? Well, first of all, we're on a work trip. We're going into the burr months, okay? I am like a whole state away, which is still about almost 12 hours from my primary care physician, okay? I get sick like I did before we left home. I don't want to get out here and get sick and have to go through the trouble of finding a healthcare facility, finding a doctor, something like that, for something that I already know that I think I have and that I can do something about it, okay? And saves money in the long run, okay? This right here is a whole lot less expensive than having to go and buy a doctor bill. But just full disclaimer, I am not a medical professional. I am not a doctor. This is just something I do for myself. If you're interested, this is how you make fermented honey, garlic, and it has all the anti-benefits. If you need to, you might have to turn it upside down and just keep doing it back and forth like this every couple of days till they all get saturated. See, it just went to the bottom again. Look at that, how pretty. And I still have just a little bit of honey left over. I may add some more to it. But it's anti-everything. Antiviral, antibacterial, antibiotic, antimicrobial. All the antis you could get, y'all, just in a little jar. Okay? Here's you something else you can add to your apothecary to go into these burr months with. You got to make you some of this. I will see y'all in the next one.